Today we will be talking about 3 top healthiest cooking oil. For different people, different cooking oil may suit their needs and liking. But according to Ayurveda, mustard, sesame and groundnut are best for cooking. They supply the body number of nutrients. In today's world, most of the people are becoming conscious of what they are eating. Problem of cholesterol has made people conscious of which oil they are using for cooking. Mustard oil has been used for centuries in Indian kitchen. Mustard oil is known for its numerous health benefits. These days, kachi ghani mustard oil has taken momentum and nowadays most of the people prefer it. Now what kachi ghani mustard oil means? It means that the mustard oil, which is unrefined and filtered, is not a refined oil. This process of making oil retains the natural nutrients. This oil is not extracted with chemicals or heat. Kachi ghani oil is known for its numerous health benefits. Kachi ghani mustard oil is a rich source of monounsaturated fatty acids, which is important in lowering bad LDL cholesterol and promoting circulation of blood. It promotes a healthy heart, it prevents premature graying of hair, and it promotes hair growth. Other than this, it promotes digestion, it boosts immunity, it is good for skin and prevents one from cough and cold. Since it is rich in vitamin E, it takes care of your skin and may help in decreasing wrinkles and fine lines. Health-wise, sesame oil is also very good. It has ample of antioxidants and inflammatory properties. It is good for your heart, joints and skin. It helps in controlling blood sugar levels. It strengthens your hair and increases its shine. Sesame oil may prove beneficial in problems of arthritis and helps in healing wounds and burns faster. Third cooking oil, which may be beneficial for health, is groundnut oil. Groundnut oil is rich in vitamin E. It reduces risk of heart disease and is beneficial in lowering blood sugar levels. Antioxidants in groundnut oil fights free radicals which otherwise may accelerate aging signs like wrinkles. Vitamin E present in groundnut oil strengthens your hair follicles and thickens your hair. Groundnut oil helps in prevention of number of gastrointestinal disorders like constipation and digestion. It reduces the risk of cancer and is good for diabetic patients. It may prevent arthritis. It keeps your blood pressure under control. It helps in increasing your HDL cholesterol. It may enhance your blood circulation as well.